Hello, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into my video titled Rapid Profit Machine, all about Systeme email campaign responder, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the challenges many of us face in trying to make money online. We all share the dream of working from anywhere at any time, perhaps even on a beautiful beach like this one. I truly understand that the journey can be tough. However, the crucial elements are always persistence and patience. And in this tutorial, I will help you achieve your goal by showing you how to use the powerful Systeme email campaign responder and the related Systeme tools to automate your email marketing efforts and take your business to the next level. A true rapid profit machine. You can kickstart this journey all with the free trial of Systeme. So let's begin the tutorial step by step. The first part we want to look at is how do I get a free trial of Systeme. If you look at any of my videos, I have a link in the description and in the pinned comment. For example, in the description, here is the link, and in the pinned comments, here is the link to Systeme. So once you've registered as I've described in part 1, we can now start to look at the features we need using the free trial. So now let's log into Systeme. So when you've logged in, you'll be presented with this menu up the top. So when you click the upgrade button, you will see a page like this, and the free plan is called Freemium. And we can study here which of the options we need to build a sales funnel and have an email campaign from the emails that we've collected through the funnel. In the free plan, we can see that we can have 2,000 contacts. We can create up to 3 sales funnel, and the funnel steps are up to 15. We only need 2 or 3 on each funnel. Down here is the email campaigns. And to map the sales funnel to the email campaign, we'll need 1 automation rule. So that's all we need to create a free funnel and get started to create an email campaign for up to 2,000 emails. Before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel. I also have a free gift for you, and I will reveal it to you after we finish the tutorial. So now let's look at part 3, which is setting up a sales funnel. We want to build a 2-step sales funnel. To provide you with more detailed assistance on sales funnel creation in Systeme, I've created a dedicated video titled Systeme tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover the process of creating 2-step sales funnel in detail. I have included the YouTube link to this video in the description section just above the Systeme free trial link as shown here. In the video I just described, I go into details to create a funnel. This funnel contains 2 pages, the squeeze or magnet lead page, which then captures an email, and then the thank you or bridge page, which takes you to the affiliate product and more details on how to purchase your affiliate product or any other product. So we can view the squeeze page here. So if I were to enter an email here, then if I were to click here to receive the gift, it would take you to the thank you page. And at this point, you would have links to your affiliate product or to a page like this, which would have more details about your product. So when that happens, this is important. You will find that if we go to contacts, we find that we've captured the email. If we look on the main dashboard, we have an event, and here's the email captured. So in the sales funnel setup, the whole idea is to create a funnel to collect emails. The beauty about this approach is that whether your customers have gone into the squeeze page and then gone into the opt-in page to collect their free ebook, at this point they may not even go ahead and make a purchase through your opt-in page or bridge page, but at least you've captured them, and this allows your email campaign to target both potential customers which have just collected their free gift and customers who have actually purchased. And if you find the content valuable, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Okay, now let's look at how to set up an email campaign with the Systeme email responder, part 4. So in the previous section, part 3, we saw how a funnel collects emails. Now what we want to attempt to do is create an email campaign and have the emails that we create automatically go out to all the email contacts we have. To do this, we go to emails at the top of the menu, Under emails, we have newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. We won't worry about newsletters. Basically, newsletters is set up so that you can just broadcast 1 or 2 emails at a time to all your contacts. What we're going to do is look at campaigns. So we've not created any campaigns in this account. So it's very simple to start. First thing we're going to do is give it a name, call it campaign 1, give it a description, send emails out to all contacts. So we save that. First thing that happens is you get the campaign here, and under the free version we can only have one campaign. Over here we have the ability to duplicate. Even under the free version we can duplicate, but we can only operate one at a time. We can share it. Sharing it just means I can transfer the whole content to another account. So I could set up another free account and share it there and use it there. So you could have multiple accounts and run different campaigns on the free version. You got the ability to remove, and of course you got settings, which just changes what we did on creation. So once you create your campaign container, which I've called campaign 1, we go in, and the only things you can do now is start creating emails. So let's create the first email. I'll give it a subject like this. The sender's name can be your name or whatever you wish that to be. And the sender's email by default is the email account that you set up Systeme.io with. Right. So if I run save, I now have a subject and ready to enter the body of the text. Over here we can change or check the sender's name and the email. So to build the body of the email, we treat this just like plain HTML. So I'm just going to paste some text that I've picked up. We can save it, or we can save and publish. When we save and publish, we have to decide how to activate it. So this being the first email, we want to go out immediately. There's no reason to do anything other than that. We don't have a delay. So we just activate it. If we want to save and test, we can specify an email here and send it off. So I've sent that email off, and I'm just checking my Gmail, and here it is. Okay, so it's very straightforward. So we've saved that. If we now exit, we have the first email here. So as soon as we harvest or capture an email, this email will go out. After this one, we repeat. So we give it a subject. We have the same name. We could use a visual editor, but I'm using the classic editor because it's easier. Again, we repeat. So I've copied some text from another location, and I'm going to paste it here. We can have links here, and these links can be your affiliate product or links to your magnet lead. These emails will go out to all captured emails, whether the customer has taken your free offer and then not gone further, or whether the customer has taken your free offer, such as an ebook, and then gone on to purchase your affiliate product or any other product. So we save and publish that. And now we decide which email do we send this out after. In this case, we want to send it out after the first one, and maybe we send it after 1 day. You could send it out after an hour or a certain number of minutes, or you could specify a specific time you want to send this out, or you could even specify the time of the week to send this email out. So we'll keep it simple. In our case, this is the second email, so we'll send it out after 1 day. Okay, so if we save, exit, we now have 2 emails, where the first one goes out as soon as we capture a customer, whether he's made a sale or not, and the second one will go out after 1 day. So then let's create one more. So I give it a subject again, the sender's name, keep it consistent. So for the third email, I've copied some HTML or text from a different location, and I'm going to paste it here. And it's important to realize that we can insert just like you would be running Google Docs or Word document. We can insert images here, pick up an image, we can change the font, we can make that bold, we can make it a heading, add or remove, add some links in. There's a whole array of elements that can be added, including tables. So it's very similar. If you've used Google Docs or Word, it has a small subset, but sufficient to build your email. So let's save and publish that. So we want to send this out after the third email, and the delay could be 1 day again. Okay, so if we save that and exit, so the first email goes out as soon as we've captured the contact, the next one goes out after 1 day, and then the next email goes out after 1 day again. And here you'll get all your statistics of how many emails have been sent. So for example, if you've captured 10 emails, then you would expect within 24 hours to have seen 10 there. And as time goes on, you'll see these numbers increase. You can later also go to statistics and see the emails that have gone out, the average percentage of opened emails, those that have bounced, those that have been reported as spam. You can see that it's all straightforward and one can keep going. In the free version of Systeme, we don't have the ability to automate what happens when we get to the bottom. Once we start the first, second, third, they're going to stop. So in the free version, my suggestion is you can repeat these free emails, for example, again. You've got the ability here to duplicate, right? So I could duplicate the second one. Okay, here it is. You may change it. Being a repeat of a previous email, you could make some significant differences, add some images, or whatever you need. And when you save and publish, you may want it to go out after the last email, again after 1 day. Okay, so you keep on repeating, and I have, for example, in my email campaign that's generating income, I have over 50 emails on the free version. Some of them are repeated, but it's easy to change the subject and make a decision whether it goes out after 1 day or after 2 days. And I could clone this, duplicate, and add more. In the paid version, you'd be able to create an automation rule that if the campaign finishes, start again or take some other action. But we'll see in the next section, as the free version only has one automation rule, we want to use that automation rule to link up our funnel and our email campaign. And if you find the content valuable, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Okay, now we move on to part 5, where we join everything together so our campaign can run automatically. This is done through an automation rule where we connect our 2-step funnel to our campaign. Let's recap what we've achieved so far. Using the free trial of Systeme, we're able to create a 2-step sales funnel. We saw the ability of creating a squeeze page, magnet lead page that has an offer too good to refuse, enabling the potential customer to put in his email. The email is captured and we go on to the bridge page where the client or customer can make his purchase. Now that we've collected all these emails and we've built an email campaign, we have to join the funnel to the email campaign using a Systeme free trial automation rule. And this is the part where the little arrow is. So how do we set up the automation rule? Well, at the top of the menu in Systeme, you'll see an option called automations, and the one we're into is called rules. So to create an automation rule, let's select create. The first thing we need to do is select a trigger. What we need to do is when we capture an email from a potential customer, we want to be able to add that into our contacts and have the email campaign start sending emails to the customer's email. And this is done by selecting the funnel step form subscribed. So of course we then need to choose our funnel, and then we need to choose which part of the funnel we want, the thank you page or the top level page. Obviously it's the top level page, which is the squeeze page. Okay, and then we need to set up an action, and the action is to subscribe to a campaign. We need to choose the campaign, which is the one we created in section 4, part 4. So we save that, and here it is. The trigger is funnel setup form subscribed, which is part of the squeeze page. The action is subscribe to the campaign, and it's called campaign 1. Over here we can disable, we can edit it or delete it. So it's simple as that. Before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel. I also have a free gift for you, and I will reveal it to you after we finish the tutorial. So now let's test everything and see what we get. If we go to funnels, select our funnel, view the funnel step. If I now enter an email that I've not had in my contact list, click that. What should happen is we see the email that we've captured. And if we go to the dashboard, we can see here we've captured the email and we have an event. And if we go to the email campaign, we can go to statistics and we can see that one email has been sent out, which was the email I captured and connected the campaign to the funnel. And that's the email here. Now, if I I actually go to my email, which is the same email account I captured, you'll see here the email, and there it is. That's it. And now the next email will go out after 1 day. All right, so we've got one email was sent out as soon as we captured, and the next one will go out in 1 day. Then the following day, the next email. And as we continue capturing emails, this will run indefinitely until it reaches the bottom. If you want to have more emails, I suggest you add more. But I think to get started, I've shown you completely the free trial. It doesn't take much to create more emails and watch what's happening and restart the campaign if needed. So please leave questions, and if you need some help to get this started, send me a question in the comments. Thank you. Earlier, I mentioned that I have a complimentary ebook for you titled The Free Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job, totally focusing on high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, this ebook complements this tutorial. So, by combining the free ebook with this video tutorial and leveraging the power of Systeme.io, starting with the free trial, as I've shown in the video, you can create an automated, rapid profit machine for your business. To get the free ebook, please visit the download link, mariobartholomew.com. You'll find this link and all other links in the video description and the pinned comments. For full transparency, I am an affiliate for Systeme.io, and I would appreciate so much if you use the provided links, as this really supports the channel. So I thank you for listening to my video titled Rapid Profit Machine with the description Systeme.io email campaign responder. So thank you for listening.